what is minor of a matrix, square matrix? Here you see that if A is a matrix Aij, which is a square matrix, then minor of the element Aij is denoted by Mij. Mij is the minor of Aij, and it is the value of the determinant. Minor Mij is always the value of the determinant after leaving the ith row and jth column. That means, for example, here you see that M11. We are taking a 3 cross 3 matrix and we will find out minor of A11. M11 means it is minor of A11. Minor of A11. So minor of A11 means it is the value of the determinant. A11 is 1. So minor of 1 is the value of the determinant after omitting first row and first column. So you omit first row and first column. So if you omit first row and first column, then we are getting the determinant of 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1 and minus 2, 1. So it is equal to how much? It is equal to 2 minus 2. It is the determinant of 2 minus 1 minus 2, 1. So that is equal to 2 minus 2. It is equal to 0. So 0 is the minor of A11 or it is the minor of 1. Next, similarly we will find out minus M12. What is M12? M12 is nothing but it is the minor of A12. It is the minor of A12. So A12 corresponding element is 2. So we will find out the minor of the element 2. So for that we will omit first row and second column. So we are getting the determinant of, if we omit first row and second column, then we are getting the determinant of minus 3, minus 1, 4, 1. So its value is equal to minus 3 plus 4. So that is equal to 1. So 1 is the minor of A12, that is 2. So minor of 2 is equal to your 1. Similarly, we will find out M13, which is the minor of A13. And what is the corresponding element of A13? It is equal to 3. So we will find out minor of 3. In order to find out minor of 3, we have to omit first row and third column. So we are getting the determinant of minus 3, 2. So 4 minus 2. So that is equal to 6 minus 8, which is equal to minus 2. Similarly, if we will find out that minor of the element 21, M21, that means it is the minor of A21. So in order to find out its minor, we have to omit second row and first column. We have to omit second row, first column. So we are getting 2, 3 minus 2, 1. So it is the determinant of 2, 3. Determinant of 2, 3 minus 2, 1. So that means it is equal to 2 plus 6. That is equal to 8. Similarly, we will find out M22. M22 is nothing but it is the minor of A22. So that you have to leave second row and second column, second row and second column. So after omitting second row and second column, we are getting the determinant of 1 3, determinant of 1 3 4 1 4 1. So that is equal to 1 minus 12, which is equal to minus 11. Next we have to find out minor of A23. M23 means it is the minor of A23. And what is the corresponding element of A23? That is minus 1. So we will find out minor of minus 1. For that we have to omit second row and third column. Second row and third column. So we are getting the determinant of 1 to 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2. 1 to 4 minus 2 after leaving second row and third column. So its value is equal to minus 2 minus 8. Minus 2 minus 8, that is equal to minus 10. Similarly, we will find out minor M31. M31. So that is minor of A31. A31. And what is the corresponding element of A31? It is 4. So you have to omit first third row and first column. We have to omit third row and first column. So it is the determinant of 2 3 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. That is equal to minus 2 minus 6, which is equal to minus 8. Again, M32, it is the minor of A32. So corresponding element of A32 is minus 2. So we have to omit third row and second column. So after omitting third row and second column, we are getting the determinant of 1 3 and minus 3 minus 1. 1 3 minus 3 minus 1. After omitting third row, second column, we are getting this thing. So it is equal to minus 1. It is equal to minus 1 plus 9, that is equal to 8. Minus 1 plus 9, that is equal to 8. Lastly, we will find out that what is minor M33. It is the minor of A33. So you have to omit third row and third column. So it is the determinant of 1 to minus 3 2. So its value is equal to 2 plus 6, which is equal to 8. Now these are the minors of the element Aij. So you have to remember that what is the definition of minor. If A is a square matrix, then always the minor of the element Aij, which is denoted by Mij, and it is the value of the determinant after leaving ith row and jth column. Next we will consider what is cofactor. Here you see that if A is equal to matrix Aij, be a square matrix, then cofactor of element Aij denoted by Cij is defined as follows. Is defined as follows. That means Cij is, that is the cofactor of Aij. That is the cofactor of Aij is defined as -1 whole to the power I plus j, -1 whole to the power I plus j into Mij. So it is the definition of cofactor of the element Aij. Cofactor of the element Aij is always denoted by Cij, which is the cofactor of Aij. Its value is equal to -1 whole to the power I plus j into Mij. What is Mij? Mij is the minor of Aij. Now here you see that Cij is equal to Mij. M subscript Ij. Mij. When Cij will be equal to Mij? If I plus j is even. And again Cij is equal to minus of Mij. If I plus j is odd. That means here you see so because if I plus j is even, then -1 whole to the power even number is always equal to +1. And if Aij is I plus j is odd, then -1 whole to the power odd is always -1, so it is minus Mij. It is very simple to remember this thing. Now here you see that for that we are getting that what is the value of C11? C11, it is same as M11. Because 1 plus 1 is even, so that's why C11 is equal to M11. Then again, if I say C12 means it is 1 plus 2, it is odd, so it is minus M1. Again, we take C13. It is 1 plus 3 is even, so it is, since I plus j is even, so its value C13 is equal to M13. Again, if I say C21, then 2 plus 1 is 3, which is odd, it is minus M21. Then again, we say that C22, 2 plus 2 is even, so its value is M22. That means cofactor is same as minor. Similarly, C23, 2 plus 3 is 5, which is odd, so it is minus M23. Again, C31, it is equal to M31. Since 3 plus 1 is even. Again, C32, that is minus of M32. Lastly, C33, it is equal to M33 because 3 plus 3 it is equal to 6, which is even, so C33 is equal to M33. That means in other way you can remember this thing, that in order to find out cofactor, we are taking, for our convenience, we are taking plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. So that means for the element A11, cofactor and minor are same. And for the element A12, minor and cofactor are of opposite sign. Minor and for the element A12, cofactor and minor are of opposite sign. And for this again, cofactor and minor are same. And for this element A21, cofactor and minor are of opposite sign. For this, again cofactor and minor are same. So for this it is minus. So you have to, for your convenience, whenever you have to find out cofactor, just you find out first minor, and according to this rule, you find out the corresponding cofactors of those elements. So this is